Hi everyone, this is Blake Anderson, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Motion VFX 3D tracking software so that you can create cool sequences like this. These were shots that I took when I went to the lake to Waskesiu National Park. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can track a scene in Motion VFX using their 3D software. So what you do is you track the scene using their software, their Motion VFX 3D software, and then you copy that information, that tracking information, and then you want to link and paste that to the whatever title sequence or whatever 3D asset you have as part of your Motion VFX catalog that they have. I would suggest then you link that by pasting the coordinates that were tracked in your scene to the title or to the 3D asset. This way you can then easily adjust as well the parameters in terms of how you want your title or your 3D look to look. So definitely experiment with Motion VFX software, I would suggest. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks and have a great day.